Today I'm going to be making Dr. Kiltz's ice cream recipe. It looks pretty simple and straightforward, very few ingredients. We're going to need an egg yolk, a pint of cream, a little bit of salt, a tablespoon of vanilla. I have the same ice cream maker he has, so we're going to put all this together and see how it comes out. So I started with my egg yolk. So I'm going to get the whites out of here. Our egg yolk put in there. And what he does is he just kind of breaks up the yolk so that's all separated. So we'll go ahead and do that. Shake up our cream. We'll get that poured in. And I'm hoping this comes out really good because I love ice cream. I'm going to add the cream in there. There we go. And we're just going to mix all that together, make sure the egg is well incorporated. We're going to add in our vanilla. You can't go wrong with ice cream, so hopefully this is really good. Everything I've seen and read about it is that it is awesome. So hoping that's the case. So let's get our vanilla mixed in there. And we're just going to add in just a little bit of salt, not very much. That's probably good there. And we've got it all mixed up, so we'll get our ice cream bowl out of the freezer. Make sure you freeze your bowl for about 2 days before you do this. You want to make sure it's good and frozen. If you don't, you're not going to get all the ice crystals out, so that's a good tip for you. All right, so I got my bowl here. Put in here. And we're just going to pour our mixture right in. Yeah. Now, according to his recipe, this needs to mix for about 30 minutes. So we're going to give it the 30-minute shot and see what happens if I can ever get the cord out of here. There we go. And we're off. Okay, ice cream's all done. Go ahead and get this out of there. Need to get a spatula here so we can clean off our ladle, if you will. Thanks, sir. Looks good. Getting ice cream off of stuff isn't the easiest thing in the world. All right. That's good enough for now. So let's go ahead and give this a taste. See how it came out. That is pretty darn tasty. Well, I'm going to have to give Dr. Kiltz 2 thumbs up on this one. This is a good recipe. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope it makes you think about going out making some delicious and nutritious ice cream. Like, subscribe, leave me a comment. Let me know if you've tried this. Have a great day.